Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be a quick final unboxing of the year. I have gotten messages from you guys about me being missing in action and just asking if I had purchased anything during all the sales that Dooney Bourke is having this year. And I just have my reasons, my own personal reasons for not posting videos of those unboxings. First of all, I personally just didn't feel like it was appropriate to post unboxing after unboxing after unboxing, especially with the current situation of so many people losing their jobs and losing their homes and not being able to buy food and just the simple things that we take for granted. So I just didn't think that it was a good idea to continuously post unboxing after unboxing. So I always do one for the final unboxing of the year. So that's why I decided to do this unboxing. So anyway guys, if you are interested in seeing my final unboxing of the year, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is my final unboxing of the year. And as you can see, it's not in a Dooney Bourke box. This is a pre-loved item that I have been wanting for a long time, and I finally got the opportunity to own it and add it to my collection. So let's see. So this is going to be very impromptu guys, because I am just sneaking in from vacation really quick. So let's see. All right guys, so here we are, packaged very nicely, which I wasn't expecting anything differently. Oh my gosh, you guys, look, I have some goodies here. Oh, more goodies. Oh, this is so sweet. And then here is a card. And I feel bad because I got rid of a bag as well, and I was headed out on vacation. And normally I always put some goodies in there, whether it's a mask or just anything that I feel the Dooney would love. I'm really upset that I didn't get a chance to do that with this one, but don't worry. So here's the card. Let me just read this really quick. Oh, very pretty. And you guys know I am a sucker for cards. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Beautiful. So here we are, the card, and then she put some hand cream in here, and this is something else that I am a sucker for, and that is hand lotions and hand creams. And this looks like a candle. This is warm apple pie candle. Absolutely adorable. So thank you so much. And you guys, I always get stuck when I'm doing unboxings outside. I always get the background noise, so I apologize about that. Oh my gosh guys, I feel so bad because this is normally how I send my bags off. Here we are. Oh my gosh you guys, I am so excited. Okay, so absolutely beautiful here. And again, this is a style that I have been wanting for a while. So here she goes, guys. And this is, like I said, a pre-loved Oh my gosh. Wow. 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 Absolutely beautiful, guys. This is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather zip sack in the color natural, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful bag. Wow. Beautiful, perfect condition, just as described. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. Back pocket. She has the tassel covers here. Oh wow, beautiful. Here we go, guys. Sorry if I'm rushing. Like I said, I'm in the middle of my vacation. I just came home for a minute just to do a few things, but let's take out the stuffing really quick. Okay guys, absolutely beautiful, perfect condition. And I think this feels a little heavy, so the strap is in here, and this is exactly how I do my straps, is I put a tassel cover over it, so this bag can be carried crossbody as well. Absolutely beautiful. And for those who care, it does have a leather key keeper. I'm not one who cares, but it does add a different little touch to it. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful condition, guys. I am just so excited. So here she is. So probably what I would do is I'll probably give her a good conditioning to make her look even more beautiful. Absolutely love it. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to come on very quickly and do an unboxing of this beautiful zip sack in the color natural. So anyway, guys, I hope you all have a fantastic holiday, a happy new year, and I will see you in 2021. Thanks, guys.